Hey, what up, my glip glops? So, we have put a new valve cover gasket on the Beamer. I replaced all the coil boots, spark plugs, and did new washers for all the bolts. Along the way, I was inspecting like wiring for the coils. Nothing looks damaged. So, after I hook this all back up, if it still misfires like an absolute mofo, I'm going to throw the scanner on it and see if any of the coils themselves are actually not firing. And then I just have to finish doing the transmission cooler, which is still dangling on the ground, and then I can put some tires on this thing and get ready to sell it. And also, I got a new cabin filter because this cowl piece here has to come off, which is super easy. It's just a few bolts, and that's where the cabin filter goes, and this cabin filter is grody, so I'm gonna get a new one. But I'm about to wire it all up. Stick with me here for the moment of truth to see if it actually runs good or not. Alright, das moment of truth. Oh, it's so hot in here. Oh my god, the leather burns my butt. Alright, please run good. Yeah, it still runs like poop. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's running better, but it's still running like poop. I mean, it's running way better than it was. Yeah, it's running, because before it could barely get out from back here. Now, a little bit of gas and it goes. It's almost there. Let's see if it'll stay running with the AC on, because it's freaking hot. Before it wouldn't stay running with the AC on. I mean, I'd say this is a massive improvement. It's not stalling out anymore. Okay, I mean, like I said, I would say that massive improvement. Obviously, it's still misfiring. But I mean, it's way better. Like I said before, it wouldn't even idle with the AC on. It's so nice and cold. Give me more air conditioning now. I don't know what I just did, but this little scrolly wheelie thing made it colder. Oh god, it smells like engine bay. And I think I need to bleed the cooling system again. Well, I'm gonna call that a win. I mean, like I said, it's still misfiring. I'm gonna hook the scanner up to it and see exactly why it's misfiring, because I know it's probably going to be I think it's going to be one of these coils. These coils looked really rough, and they all had broken coil boots on them. So I have a feeling it's going to be that. But for now, I'm just going to slide this right there and that right there. And I need to jack the car up and get under it to try to get this freaking stupid cooler done. But that's what we got for right now. That's a big plus. Oh, I got new trim pieces too. I keep forgetting I need to put these on. Whoops. Anyway, haha. So guys, I scanned the car, and the only remaining code it has is for a purge valve and a P0011, which is intake camshaft over advanced, which usually is the sign of a bad VVT solenoid. So I went to every parts store around me and could not get one today, so I had to order one. Should be here on Tuesday, and then we'll continue our adventure with the BMW, because it might just be clogged. Because when I had that valve cover off, I should have taken some footage. That motor was a little neglected. It was a little crusty in there, and I cleaned it out, like the top end, as much as I could. And it very well could just be that the VVT solenoid is clogged, because I see that happen a lot with a lot of these cars. They have like a screen on the end of them, and it'll get clogged up with chunky, nasty stuff. But I just figured we'd go ahead and replace it. And like I said, this should be Tuesday. And I guess we'll go from there. So thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned for more.